Hey there, Boots Owen here. This is a Volkswagen Sharan 2.0 TDI common rail diesel injector engine, CFFB model. I've had the injectors out because I wanted to replace this plastic cap, and I did the timing belt at the same time, so I had the fuel pump out as well, the fuel filter out as well. So the fuel lines were all drained down. And one of the things the manuals tell you is to use the diagnostic software or the programming software for the car to prime the diesel system once you've taken the injectors out and the common rail and all that stuff. Before you put them back in, you need to prime them so that you don't get an airlock and all that kind of thing. So I want to show you the engine cranking over because I didn't do that. I just started it up. And this is how long it takes. I'll show you in the next bit of the video. And it was all okay. So here's a cold start after maybe 2 weeks, at least a week anyways, because I was doing this job and waiting on parts. The diesel was completely out of all of this area here. Now there might have been remnants in it, but it was definitely dry up this end. The injectors were all out and it was all okay. So stay tuned, give us a like, subscribe and all that kind of thing. There's no outro on the video. Thanks for watching. Here it goes. So this is new timing belt and injectors taken out with a new plastic cover on. This oil filler cover, or rocker cover, it was presumed leaking, so I've replaced that. tensioner pulley down there is bad. So I think the noise at low idle, or at idle, is that tensioner pulley rattling. I don't think it's anything to do with the engine. Oh no, do I see diesel leaking up here? Excuse me. And that number 4 up there, where is it? So I wonder if I see a bit of diesel there leaking. These are under incredibly high pressure.